Hello Esquire team. This is the first in a series of a couple of short videos that are going to show you how to make some updates to the website. First, let's go ahead and start with the login page. I know some of you are already very familiar with this, but just for posterity, in case somebody needs to know, this is the login page. You can always find it by just going to this wp-admin after a slash on the end of the regular URL for the website, and you will end up at the login page here. If at any point you lose your password or forget it, or you just want to reset it, you can use this lost your password link right here. That will take you to the reset page, so you can put in either your username or the email address that is associated with the account that you have on the website, and you can get a new password. Let's go ahead and go here. We're going to go ahead and log in. And the dashboard is going to look very much the same as the relevant building site. There is a tutorial videos section right here. When you first log in, that might be located down here somewhere. This view, this dashboard, you can customize to yourself. So, you might want to drag that right up here. Then you or whoever else is logging into the site can see right where those tutorial videos are, including this one. Once we add some videos here, there will turn into a scroll bar here, so you can scroll down through those and see which one it is that you need to review. So we are going to start with just making text edits. The internet has moved on a little bit since we built the last site for you, so we are trying to keep up to date. And this new site is built using a slightly different method. So, here it is. We're on the history page. If we wanted to make some edits here, we can go to the front end. Once you're logged in, you can see this black bar gets added to the top with some menu items. That is visible only to you. That does not show to people who are not logged in. So you can either find the page that you want on the front end and hit this edit page, or we can come back here and go to pages, and then we can click on the page it is that we want to edit using this way, whatever you prefer. In any case, let's go here. We will click edit on that. And then I also just like to have the front end of the website open as well, so that I can just kind of go back and forth between the edit view and the live view. So you can tell this looks a little bit different. You don't have to open the block like you did on the other one. You can literally just click right in here and so as before, these edits don't immediately take place on the front of the site until you hit this save button. So if at some point you start making edits, maybe you get interrupted, or maybe you forget what it is that you've done and you're not sure you want to publish those edits, you can always just go and leave the website. It'll warn you that you're gonna leave those changes without saving them. So you can always just hit that leave button, and then none of your changes that you've made are going to be saved to the website. They're not going to be published. So yeah, you can just start typing, do what you want. When you're ready to save it, just hit the save button and it will publish those updates. Linking uses a very similar tool. We can just highlight our text, come right up here to this link icon and click it. You can start typing and it will suggest pages that you can link to. So here we see our contact. You can link to that. It puts the link in for us. We can go ahead and hit save on that. Come over here to the front end and we will hit refresh. And here you can see that new text that we put in, and it has a link to the contact page. Let's go ahead and remove that right away because we don't want that on there, obviously. If you wanted to update one of these pictures down here, you can simply click on that and hit the replace button. If it's in the media library, you can go right there. If you need to upload a new image, you would select the upload option. And then you can just, again, if it's the media library, you just pick the one that you want. Or if you wanted to upload, you can go here and go and browse, find the image that you want to add there. I think that is it for simple text updates. We'll do a couple more here covering the forms and updating the galleries, and of course the all-important ability to update the apartments themselves, the floor plans. We'll be back with more of those.